Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back at it again with another DIY. In this video I'll be removing this half wall that you see behind me. This wall, it's a divider between my kitchen and my dining room, and I just want to remove this wall. So it's either a half wall or I want to widen the door opening. So this is what it looks like from the other angle. This is what it is. Like, that's the back door, that's where you come in, and I want to, here's the wall. I want to turn it either into a half wall or I'm just going to widen the opening. So I'm not 100% sure, but as I start doing it, I'll kind of figure out like what I want to do. So without further ado, let's get this video started.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
So right here I'm just making markings on this wall, 45 inches to be exact, because I did decide to turn this into a breakfast bar. So when I demo my wall, I'll know how far down to come, 45 inches off the ground.
Alright guys, this is what it's looking like right now. It's totally open. Well, not all the way, but it will be. And of course, my mess that I have to clean up. But this is what it's looking like so far. So yeah. Hi guys, so right now it's the next day, and today I'm just going to continue opening up the wall, like right above there. And I put some sheets up just so it's not so dusty. But I'm going to open up right above the door frame, because even though over here is open, it still seems kind of closed off with this there. So I'm just going to open this up and have the column just go from floor to ceiling and just have this part be open. So that's what I'm going to do now. Last night I opened up this side. I started to open up this side. So this part's almost gone. It's just the next side that I have to open up. So let's go ahead and get started with that.
in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light.
Alright guys, I'm sweating, but I finally got it out, and as I assumed, it does look more open. Like with the tall ceilings, it does look more open. So I'm happy about that, but I just really wish I was able to get this column out, but I can't, because like you can see the gas lines are running through it. But yeah, floor to ceiling looks amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this mess up right now. Ton of mess. Clean that up, and then we're gonna get started with framing the columns and putting the drywall. Show you guys. Back over on this side, putting the drywall there and framing out the columns. So let me go ahead and clean up, and then I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, so I'm done cleaning up. It's a little bit later in the day because I did take a break, so I'm done cleaning up right now, and I actually went out to Home Depot and I got the drywall for here, and I also got a 2x4. You can see right here that I cut to size that I'm gonna install right next to, I'm gonna install it here, excuse me, install it here and remove this 2x4. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I actually called a guy. Well, I've used him a few times, but he's gonna come over and let me know if it's safe to remove these two gas lines, just because, like I said, in the basement it doesn't seem like they're hooked up to anything, but I just want to make sure. So he's gonna come over tomorrow and let me know if they are in fact safe to remove. So I'm just gonna leave that until tomorrow, but right now I'm just gonna remove this 2x4. I'm gonna cut it to right there. I'm gonna cut it to about here, and then I'm gonna put this one in, like right next to right here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I did actually went ahead and remove the tiles from over here. There were some tiles right here, so I just went ahead and removed those, and that way I can put new drywall right there. So I'm gonna show you guys how I install this 2x4. Okay, so this is in. It's nice and solid. It's not going anywhere. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the other one since I don't need it anymore. Alright guys, so I'm done cutting that out, and I also put that 2x4 up, so I think that's going to be it for tonight. I'm just going to wait until tomorrow for that guy to come to see if I can in fact take those pipes out. I really hope so, because right now if I had to frame this back in, it's going to look silly. This opening right here is going to be way too small. If he says that I am able to take this out, that's just going to be, I'm going to be so happy, but hopefully he says yes, but tomorrow we'll see. I'm just going to end this here tonight. I'm going to get some rest, maybe clean up some more, even though I kind of already did. Like, there's like nothing on the floors. Maybe I'll do another round of sweeping, maybe a little dusting, and then tomorrow I'll find out whether or not I can take this out. So hopefully I can, but we'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow though. Hey guys, so currently it's the next day, and by the looks of it you can tell that I had the guy come over and remove those pipes. So it's totally open now, and I'm able to make my breakfast bar. So this is what it looks like on this side. It looks really good. And then over on this side, this is what it's looking like. So looks really good. Alright, so as for today, I'm going to be adding my drywall here, my drywall over there, and I'm going to frame these columns and make them look nice again. So let's get started with that. Oh, and by the way, as I assumed those pipes were safe to remove, he basically just came. I didn't want to film him, I didn't know if he wanted to be on camera, but he basically came and used a monkey wrench to basically unscrew it. It was screwed in up top, so he basically unscrewed it and then popped them right out, and that was it. So very easy. I could have done it myself, but I wasn't sure if it was safe to do, so that's why I had the professionals come in and do it. So
into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you
Hey guys, so I'm finally done with hanging the drywall, framing out my wall, and doing all of that. I also went ahead and add my corner bead. You can see going all the way around. So I'll give you a little close-up of what it looks like. There it is. Looking pretty good. Over on that side too. And yeah, so that's what it's looking like right now. So my next step is I'm going to go ahead and start to putty. Coming very close to finishing this. I want to get this done in the next maybe 2 days or so. That's my goal. So I'm going to start with puttying. I'm going to get my tape and start taping everywhere where the drywall meets, like everywhere. So I'm going to start doing that, and then I'll see you guys in a few. Because my camera cut out and I didn't realize that it wasn't recording. So I basically got a piece of tape, put it onto where the drywall meets, put some more putty over it, and then I just like smooth it in. So I'm going to do that side over there so you guys can kind of see like what I did. So I lost some footage, but basically you guys can see that I'm done mudding, I'm done sanding the drywall, and I'm done doing all that. So right now I'm just painting. The color that I'm using is called Basic Beige, and it's by Glidden in a satin finish, I believe. But you guys can't really tell on camera a true color difference because it looks white, but it's really a soft, nice beige color. Finally done painting, and this is what it looks like. Let me move over here so you can see a little better. But there it is, all the way down to the ground. It looks very, very nice. And then the countertop needs to go in here for the breakfast bar. On the other side, let me show you guys. This is what it looks like on the other side. There it is. All the way up to the ceiling. And right now I have the baseboard. It's not installed, I just cut it to size. So let me show you guys. Here it is. I just need to install it, and I also have a new cover plate to go right over the outlet. This concludes part 1 of my video, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, but stay tuned for part 2 where I actually build the countertop to go on the breakfast bar. So thank you, and see you guys all in part 2.